Good afternoon, everyone. Before start cooking, I want to give a shout out to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video.
Hiro-san, how are you?
Very good afternoon.
Good afternoon to you. We're making today one of my favorite things that we sold in the restaurant before. We're making the UFC. That stood for Ultimate Fried Chicken. And if you guys can do this at home, you may have had it at some Japanese restaurant. It is the most delicious fried chicken you've probably ever had. So Hiro.
Yeah, in Japanese, actually, we call it Tatsuta.
Okay. What does that mean exactly?
Tatsuta is actually kind of first marinate after you cut the piece of the thigh. Most of the time we do chicken thigh, dark meat. We like it. So cut in the piece, salt and pepper, and then sake, and then soy sauce, and ginger and garlic, grinded one.
Nice.
So we're gonna do marinate like about 30-40 minutes. Then I'm gonna after put in a coating with the cornstarch and then fry it up.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's what we call it tatsage. So let's take bone out, right? So yeah, many times we have done with this process already. Cutting this area, like that, right? And then pinching the bone, and cut over here, and this side too. Like that.
This leaves you with a beautiful, like a chicken steak.
Then this moment you should grab the meat side. Grab the meat side. Like that. Take it a bit more.
Okay. Very nice.
Okay, after debone, I'm gonna clean up a little bit. Take a look at this stuff. And this one.
Cartilage. Cartilage, yeah.
And a little soft bone or something, right?
Yeah.
Got this one.
And a lot of people don't like that. I love this part.
Okay, next step is I'm gonna do cut into the piece of this chicken thigh and then marinate with soy sauce, sake, and black pepper, and today, yes, violet sea salt. That's where I found it in the store. So I just pouch it. It's beautiful, right?
Yeah, looks good.
Yeah, let's try this one. With ginger and garlic.
Okay.
So grind it. So I'm gonna marinate and keep it into liquid about 30 to 40 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, so let's start the part. Cut the chicken. I'm not going to cut away, not too small.
Yeah.
You know.
I think the bigger, the thicker, the juicier. You know.
Yeah, I like more like this way. You
Let's
know.
see. Yeah.
And then.
That's about a 1 inch by 1.5 inch.
Go like that.
Yeah.
And this one, actually, this is a little fiber stuff here. I'm gonna cut off. Even I can go for with like this
Yeah,
size.
let's
You
do
know.
it. Like the big piece.
You know.
Mm-hmm.
Like that.
Now, if you didn't take off the skin would be a nice addition to this as well.
Yeah, today we took off that skin already, but normally I do with the skin.
With the skin on is great.
With this
Yeah.
dish. I really like a skin part.
Mm-hmm.
All right. And put into the bowl. Okay. Then next one is a garlic.
Okay.
Then sake and soy sauce. Okay. Then I'm gonna mix it up.
Okay. It smells so good already.
So good already, right?
Oh yeah.
Maybe a little bit more add the liquid. Okay, so this, okay, good. I'm gonna keep like this. Here, 30 minutes already, marination already. So we're gonna I'm gonna strain up. I'm gonna first add the egg. Just mix it up.
So just 1 egg, Hiro?
1 or 2. I
1 or
just
2
wanna,
eggs,
yeah,
okay.
I'm gonna see. Yeah, 1 is enough.
1's enough, okay.
Yeah, like that. I'm gonna put this one into the flour. Like that.
So it's not cornstarch, this is flour.
Cornstarch in the flour, 50-50 actually.
Oh, 50-50, okay.
Yeah, only cornstarch is fine too. Anyway.
Okay.
I'm gonna take a check. This one's done already.
It's done?
Yeah.
Okay.
So basically, so smaller than this one is pretty much everything is done already.
Okay.
A little bit the big one, you have to check.
What's the temperature here?
350 I was started, and now it's actually a little bit going down to 340.
Okay.
So I'm gonna adjust it. You have to adjust the temperature.
Okay.
So that's done already. Okay. Chicken is ready. Maybe when you sub, maybe this is a
It's a nice portion, huh?
portion.
Yeah.
Maybe a little bit too much.
Okay.
Right. So this moment we're gonna put everything, right?
Why not?
Okay.
This is from 3 chicken thighs. A lot of meat. Yeah, most people just put salt and pepper. You put salt and pepper
Salt and pepper.
and ginger and garlic with soy sauce and the sake. Wow, it smells really, really good here.
Yeah. I do like with many restaurants just serve this way, right? I think you see this kind of stuff
Yeah.
on the side.
Looks great, Hiro.
All right.
Can't wait to try it.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. If you guys like this video at home, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe. Try this at home. You'll be amazed how delicious and how easy this is. Thanks so much for watching.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
Tasting parts.
Hiro-san, I can't wait to get my teeth into these little chicken nuggets. Let's try it out, Hiro. How's it?
Perfect.
Looks really,
Overcooked
really
is no good. No.
Overcooked, yeah. Definitely not. All right, let me get a piece here. You guys, you can really make this at home. It's really, really simple.
So we don't have a skin, so not much. You know, the skin makes crunchy.
Yeah.
Getting crunchy.
Without the skin, yeah, I love, of course, with the skin on it, but
Not bad, right?
it's for another. Yeah, that was for another recipe. So good, Hiro. I love it. Please, guys, try this at home. And tell us what you think after you try it.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I want to thank Squarespace again, sponsoring today's video.
With Squarespace, you can choose from tons of designer and award-winning templates. These are created with modern browsers and mobile apps in mind, making their templates modern and as well beautiful. Get the right message to the right people, collect email addresses through your website, and send subscribers information they care about most with unique mailing lists. Now, with Squarespace, it's an all-in-one platform, meaning there's never anything to install, patch, or upgrade ever. The best part of all, there's a free trial and 10% off. All you have to do is go to squarespace.com/mastersushichef and check it out. And you can start making your beautiful website today. Hiro, sounds like a great deal to me.
Oh, yes, great.
See you guys soon.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.